Hello friends, I hope you're all doing great. We're here with a tutorial on the copy trading section in Binance Exchange. In the previous video, we taught you how to register and verify your identity on this exchange. We also reviewed different deposit methods, and now we intend to use the copy trading section. To use this feature, go to the trading section and enter the copy trading area. As you can see, Binance Exchange supports copy trading in both the futures and spot sections. The spot section, which has been added recently, allows you to copy the spot trades of professional traders onto your own account. These two sections are almost identical in terms of functionality. The only difference is that you are copying different types of trades. In both sections, if you want to be the trader whose trades others copy and benefit from the profits and rewards of this feature, you can click on the Apply Now option, and after agreeing to the terms and conditions, click on Open Now. Next, you need to choose the type of your portfolio between public or private. And after selecting a balance for these copy trading accounts between $500,000 and $750,000 and agreeing to the terms and conditions of this section, you can click on Confirm. This way you become a trader whose trading activity and account profit trends can be viewed by other traders. And if they wish to copy your trades, you will receive rewards and commissions after your trades are copied. Next, your copy trading account balance and the amount of profit and loss will be displayed to you in this section. Additionally, various plans and more information related to this section will be displayed to you. And by clicking on the copy overview option, you can view the details of your copy trading account, total balance, wallet balance, your profit and loss, and your net profit. In the next section, you will see different traders here, each accompanied by a lot of information. You can view these traders in the categories of public portfolio or private portfolio, or by clicking on the star option, you can add them to your favorites list. In this section, you can search for the name of your desired trader or find your preferred trader by applying various filters. As you can see, the time period has been selected in this section, and next to each trader's name, the number of people following them is displayed. Each trader accepts a specific number of followers, and once this number is reached, you will no longer be able to copy that trader. In the next section, within a 30-day period, you can see this person's profit or loss, and the percentage change in the account is displayed here. In the AUM section, the amount of capital managed by this trader is shown. And in the following section, the maximum drawdown of this trader's account is displayed. By clicking on the name of this trader, you can access more information about them. These additional details include the number of days this person has been trading, the number of people currently copying them, the total number of people who have ever copied this person, as well as the number of people copying them in demo mode. The leverage used in trades is also displayed. Next, you can see this trader's win rate, as well as the total number of positions and the number of profitable positions displayed. In the following section, you can view the profit or loss of the people copying this trader. If you choose to copy this person, you will need to give them 10% of your profits. You can see the leading margin balance. And if you intend to copy this person, you will need to have at least $1,000 in your account. Also, in this section, it shows which coins this person trades. As you can see, 85% is Ethereum, 14% is Bitcoin, and a very small amount is BNB. If there are any open positions, you will see them in this section, and by going to the position history section, you can view the history of open positions. Before you start copying a trader, we recommend that you use the provided filters to find traders with a suitable track record for yourself. You can also use the compare option to compare different traders with each other, so that after making this comparison, you can find the best trader to copy. After reviewing various statistics and charts related to this trader, you can use the mock copy option. You can add this trader to your mock copy trading list so that with demo funds, this person's trades will be copied for you. After a few days, you can check the status of your copy trading with this trader. And if you ultimately decide to copy this person, you click on the copy option. On the next page, you can submit your copy trading request in two modes: fixed ratio and fixed amount. In the fixed mode, you need to enter the amount you intend to invest in copy trading in this section. You can also use the copy invest option to specify how much and at what intervals to automatically invest in this trading account. Additionally, in the next section, you can set a stop loss so that, for example, when 70% of the copy trading account incurs a loss, all trades are automatically closed, acting as a stop loss for you. Next, by clicking on the advanced setting option, you can access more settings, which are optional. You can change your margin mode. You can also adjust the leverage use, but we recommend following the trader's own trading method to achieve better profitability. Also, in the next section, you can set your own take profit or stop loss values. And in the following section, you can specify the maximum amount of your capital that will be involved in each trade. For example, if you have allocated $1,000 to this trader, and you set this value to 5%, then $50 of your capital will be used in each trade. And also, in the fixed amount section, you can once again specify the cost per order and choose the amount of your capital that you intend to invest with this trader. And once again, the total stop loss option will be available to you. After entering this information, you agree to the terms and conditions of this section and click on the copy option. After clicking on confirm, your copy trading will successfully begin. And by clicking on the view details option, you can see the details of this copy trading. If you want to change your copy trading balance or modify the settings you applied on the previous page, you can do so here by clicking on the settings or adjust balance option. The details of all positions and trades opened by this person will be displayed to you in this section. If you want to cancel the copy trading process on this same page, you can successfully stop your copy trading by clicking on the stop copy option and then clicking confirm. Similarly, in the spot section, you can carry out your copy trading in the same way and copy other traders. Well, that was the complete tutorial on the copy trading section in HCH Binance. Stay with us for more tutorials. Goodbye.